Hello. My dog is sleeping, so I'll use a text-to-speech voice. I'm going to show you a tool I built with Claude code that splits TikToks into 60-second segments for Instagram stories. I'll activate the shell script that checks a Dropbox folder every 10 seconds. I have two computers, so in the beginning it will ask what machine I'm on. Now that it's running, I'll show you using the iPhone mirroring tool. From here, I'll download the video to my phone and then upload it to the folder in star, split on Dropbox. From there, the script will detect the file and put it in a subfolder, and also put numbers to show what order they should be posted. It works sometimes, depends on the download order, but you can preview before you post. This is how I can do my duty as an elder millennial TikTok operative to post TikToks on Instagram stories with a seamless transition between stories. Now that I have the assets downloaded, I'll post it on Instagram. I'll speed this part up. While it's uploading, I'll do my morning affirmations.
Bitch, you doing a good job. 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 Fuck that laundry, fuck that dish. Take a break and shake that shit.
Let's see the results.
What if your emotions weren't just private experiences inside your head, but actual forces that ripple into reality itself? Every time you feel something, joy, anger, gratitude, fear, your body generates measurable changes in its electromagnetic field. Science shows that the heart and brain produce oscillating signals that can be detected outside the body, and these signals shift with your emotional state. But here's the deeper truth. Your field is not sealed off. It exists within a larger universal field, a sea of interconnected energy that operates both locally and non-locally. Locally, your emotional frequency influences people, environments, and opportunities immediately around you, just as a calm presence can relax a room or an anxious presence can unsettle it. Non-locally, in the quantum sense, your field interacts with the broader fabric of space-time itself.
It worked. If you'd like to follow, my username is Shayluk. If you'd like to build tools that would help you automate whatever you need, reach out. I'd love to teach you. It's easier than you think, and anything is possible. Thanks for watching.